If you love juicy, smoky al pastor street tacos, this marinade is for you, because this adobo is the real flavor behind the tacos everyone goes crazy for, also known as trompo tacos. I am so happy that you're here, and let's get started. Pastor isn't just about the meat, it's all about the adobo. This salsa is a blend of dried chiles, spices, fruit juices that soak into the meat and turn it into unbelievably juicy flavor and perfectly balanced between smoky, tangy, and slightly sweet. Before we start, let's get everything ready. I will be using a mix of dried chiles. This is an ancho chile that I deseeded and take out the stem. Then I am going to use this cascabel or guajillo chile that is going to be the one that is going to give characteristic red color to this adobo. And here comes the star of this adobo. This is a smoked chipotle that I also deseeded and take out the stem. And for the aromatics, I am going to use Mexican dry oregano, cumin powder, and cloves. I am going to use peach vinegar, but you can use any fruit vinegar that you like. And I am going to use a lot of garlic cloves, pineapple juice, and salt and pepper to taste. Click the link above for recipe. Now that we did our mise en place, let's get started with the process. First, I am going to show you how to take out the seeds and the little stem on the peppers. It's super easy. The only thing that you need is a sharp knife. You make a little cut on one side of the pepper and just shake out all the little seeds. Also, you can scrape it with the knife, and you can also take the little veins. And if your fingers are very sensitive to chiles, you can use gloves. Now my pepper is ready to be roasted. And by roasted, I mean that I am going to flip it several times on a heated skillet. This is something that you have to do quick because the peppers turn to burn super easily. Once you see that the skin of the pepper is changing color, it means that your pepper is ready. And you will repeat the same process for all the other peppers. The next step is that we are going to soften these peppers. I am going to bring them to a boil. I'll add the cloves as well, and I am going to boil them about 3 minutes. Meanwhile the peppers are on the heat, I am going to add all the other ingredients into the blender. And our peppers are ready. As you can see, they're very nice and soft. So now I am going to transfer them to the blender. I am going to blend until everything is very nice and smooth. Our adobo is ready. I hope that you can smell it. It smells amazing. Now the only thing that I need to do is pour it over the meat. Now that our adobo is ready, we're going to put it generously over our meat. Make sure every piece is fully coated. This is where all the magic and flavor happens. Cover and refrigerate so the meat can soak in all the beautiful adobo. And this is what turns simple meat into unforgettable meat al pastor. You can use this meat to make tacos, pizza, tortas, or eat it by itself with some rice and beans. Okay guys, this is it for today. If you like this recipe, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. If you are new here in the channel, don't forget to subscribe, and see you next time. Bye bye.